Hi guys, peace be upon you. Today is a black day for our entire region because Haji Ainalok Sarkar, who was former principal of Tulsiville High Secondary School. He was a great educationist and in the field of education, English literature and Islamic life, he will be always remembered and people will feel big loss of him because he contributed lots of you know contributions toward our society. And if I say about his achievement, he was real reformer of our society. In every aspect of our society, he raised his voice to reform our society. Really, today we regret and grieve to see his demise. So we will all wish for his soul. Almighty Allah grant him Jannah. And so finally, goodbye.